Hello YouTube. So I haven't had a chance to make a video in a while, so I thought I might as well shoot a quick POV. So done to this specific one, if I may get into that. So this is tuned, then has catalyst downpipes, drop-in kin and air filters, Megan Racing axle back, the upgraded entertainment system, what else, upgraded brakes, down springs, what else? It has aftermarket wheels. Yeah, I think that's about it for the most part. Yeah, so with the tune, it makes close to 700. At least that's what I've been told. Because when I bought it, this was tuned already by the previous owner, and it was quite an interesting experience of buying this one, because I bought it from a small dealership out in Michigan, and then this wasn't really sold by an individual or a dealership. Well, this was sold by an individual, but it was sold to a dealership with the power for turning. So this was, anyway, long story short, it was quite a process to get this registered. And within the process, I had to, I don't know, figure some things out. So while figuring those things out, I stumbled upon the previous owner, the guy who got it tuned, and, you know, had all kinds of fun on it. So it was a pretty interesting conversation with him, but I did find out all the stuff that's been done to it. So yeah, it was kind of win-win for me. Anyway, so yeah, just thought I will make a POV video, but the only thing is, it does sound amazing, but I could not find a good way to kind of that was weird. My GoPro decided to die. But yeah, I don't know if the wind noise is too much if I open up the roof, but my intention is for more noise to kind of come in.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Wow, what a move! Come out here to Cars and Coffee. Not every Sunday, but every other Sunday, just to kind of get out and drive. Or I would just kind of, you know, come by here, drop by, see if there are any cool cars, and just keep moving. Said this is a 2011. It's been tuned. I just threw on some nice wheels. Has a front splitter. But yeah, for the most part, from my perspective, it's not heavily modded. Yes, it is modded, but I think the place where it is at the moment. It's good for me. I enjoy it. I don't want to go too crazy, you know, with turbos or anything of that sort. So the point I'm trying to make is, I think this is at a pretty good sweet spot for me. So I had the seats folded down and the luggage compartment closed, just so I can capture as much noise as I can. But this is how it is from the tailwise trunk, perhaps. So this came with a dry carbon fiber trim. As I said, it has extended leather, so even leather on this dash. Apologies if it's a little dirty right now, but I'll quickly pop the hood. And then from here, yeah. Has the catch cans. Then I had these intake scoops. I don't know if you can see. Dang it. Yes.